Hi guys, how are you? So this is a very important video today, and this is for those students who are thinking about the selection of their optional professional exams. Students do ask a lot which optional paper we should opt for, and the question is a genuine one. So this video will give you a good quick guidance how to select your optional paper. So there are four things to remember. Number one, which paper will give you the most interest in terms of you like the paper or not. For example, you like financial management, you like advanced performance management, you like audit or taxation. So the first thing is which subject you like, the interest, right? So that you have to think. Number two, your preference in relation to calculations and theory. Yes, this is very important. ATX more towards calculation, APM more towards theory, AAA more towards theory, AFM again it's theory and calculation. So you need to think that and decide obviously that you are good in calculations or theory, and according to that you need to take the decision. Third, your previous experience about the paper. For example, F5, performance management. The advanced is advanced performance management, APM. So if your previous experience about the skill paper was good, then fine, you have that confidence to go with the advanced paper. Similarly, if you are good with taxation, so you can go with ATX because your marks in TX were really good. So your previous experience is very important. That will also help you to decide what to opt for the advanced one. So that's the third thing. Number fourth is very important, and I personally believe that this fourth point is a one to which people don't give too much of importance. And what is that? Your career progress, your career development, where you want to work in future. Your field of expertise is something you need to come up with. Like, I want to be an auditor. Come on, you should go with AAA. I want to work as a finance manager. Wow, you can go with AFM. You can have good expertise in that. Similarly, I want to be a consultant, APM. I want to excel in taxation, ATX. So this is also very, very important, that in which area you want to excel at. And you know why ACCA made this optional? Yeah, you might be thinking why. It's because you decide that which field you want to choose for yourself in the future. That's why these are optional papers. So this is the most important one for me, obviously. And you need to take this into account, that where you want to work in future, and according to that you decide the paper. There is a fifth criteria which I don't want to bring here, but just for your happiness, it's the passing ratio. Yeah, people do look at the passing ratio, but more or less passing ratio for papers like APM and AAA are on a lower side. ATX is a bit higher, but again, at the end of the day, passing ratio should not be the only factor for the selection. Okay, so for me, the four factors I've already identified, and in combination with the fifth one that you people like a lot, you need to decide your optional stream. Go with it. Best of luck.